Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're going to be making vanilla snack cakes, aka Twinkies. Did you hear Twinkies? Yes, Twinkies, yes. We're going to be recreating them and they're going to be super delicious. And because Twinkies, little cakes, how I love you. Now let's bake. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second thing you're going to want to do is get out your cooking spray. If you have a cream canoe pan, what is that? I think this is the type of pan which would make the Twinkie shape. I don't have one of those, but you can make them into cupcakes. Just spray the pans well. 7 egg whites. We're going to beat these stiff and then we'll work them into the rest of the recipe, which include the 7 egg yolks later. Mix the remaining of the cake ingredients and then we'll fold the egg whites in. 2 cups cake flour. 1.5 cups granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 3/4 cup cold water. 7 egg yolks, room temperature. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla paste. Beat until smooth. Fold the egg whites into the rest of the batter. Do it in thirds. Fill your cupcakes about 2/3 full. These will expand. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes until they are a little golden brown and the toothpick comes out clean. Hey you! Have you clicked like and subscribe yet? If not, don't waste any time. Do it right now. Time's up. Let's check them. Ooh, they're nice golden brown. They spring back. Clean toothpick. Let's take them out. Let them cool for 5 minutes and then we'll turn them out. The beginning of the frosting has a flour, milk, vanilla, a paste-ish that's going to give the frosting some of that special thickness that it has, you know, when you bite a Twinkie. So let's get started. Saucepan, medium heat. 1/2 cup milk. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Stir constantly. Make sure it doesn't brown. Looks like the paste is just about there. All right, we're gonna remove this from the heat. Wait 1 minute. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and stir. 1 Once it's smooth, place plastic wrap down on top of it and let it cool completely. Beat 4 tablespoons salted butter, room temperature. 4 tablespoons shortening. Half cup granulated sugar. Beat until light and fluffy. The paste mixture has cooled. We are ready to add it in. Okay, let's add in the paste mixture. Beat on medium-high for about 5 minutes. The cream filling is done. It's time for your pastry bag or a Ziploc baggie. And I happen to have a round pastry tip, but if you don't have a round pastry tip, just punch a hole with your finger in the cupcakes and it'll work out just fine as well. Let's fill them. Thank you to the subscriber who suggested that I fill pastry bags using a cup. It's working out great. Take one of the cakes, insert the tip, and you want to fill it up until it starts to expand just before it's about to break. Just like that. Inspection time. It is a lovely spongy cake. And the filling went in very well, baked really nicely. Now let's break it open and see what that filling looks like inside. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Only one thing left to do. That's right, taste it. It does taste like a Twinkie in a much more natural, no preservatives type of way. It's very yummy. The filling is very light and fluffy, and the cake is moist. It is just great. This is a great homemade Twinkie. If I can do this for the first time, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going back for another Twinkie.